way and then hold it about half as I turn the ignition key. Once the ignition once the engine catches, I let go of the choke and the engine will run all by itself. I then let the engine warm up for a little bit, and then once I am ready to mow, I push the throttle all the way to full throttle. Next thing that I do is I adjust the mower height with this knob down here. It goes from a cutting height of 1 inch to 4 inches. I typically mow right about 3 inches. 1 inch is about the height that the golf courses use to keep their courses nice and trim and nice looking for the golfers. Before I mow, I put on some noise canceling headphones to protect my hearing. And then off we go. I can usually mow about the front yard before I need to empty my baggers. I can show you how to empty the bagger. There's a lever here that opens up the top. And then there's 2 bags that you just lift out and dump out. Bag back in. Make sure it latches. Good to go. You then lower the mower unit with this lever, which brings it down to the set cutting height. After that, you're ready to mow.